Welcome back to the continuation of our free installation of Microsoft Office 2021.
Open your web browser and search for Office Deployment Tool 2021. From the search results, click on Download Office Deployment Tool from official. After downloading the file, create a new folder and name it Office 2021. After creating the folder, go to your Downloads on your PC and copy and paste the configuration file you downloaded from the first process into the folder you have created. Watch the previous video for more info on that. Go to your Downloads once again and look for Office Deployment Tool file you just downloaded. Right-click and select Run as Administrator to extract the files in the folder you created and named Office 2021.